With zero interest rates and new cost pressures, the last decade has been challenging for futures commission merchants. John Lothian News sat down with several FCMs who are meeting the challenges head-on. Mark Ibbotson, CEO of GH Financials, says the key is to offer a singular, seamless model on a global scale.
Increasingly, the world is going ever more global. It's something everyone says, but it's true. The world is that much easier to connect around. And something we've been pioneering is trying to bring clearing more on a remote basis. Traditionally, clearers would have a physical presence in every single location, and that was required by law. But the global world we live in now means increasingly you can operate across borders. Technology has advanced to allow and facilitate that, and so we've been a little bit of a pioneer. So we like to think for our clients, wherever they are in the world, we can offer them a pretty seamless choice to connect anywhere and everywhere they want to go, and we spend our time trying to build solutions for that for our clients. We grew up as a specialist clearer for a particular segment. We grew up out of the proprietary trading community as a clearer for proprietary traders. So we had a singular model really from the beginning, that our service model in terms of the systems we deploy, the reports we produce, and so on. And we kind of built that as a framework and said, well, we can build that model for multiple types of client and multiple jurisdictions without breaking the core of having everything simple and singular, and it meant extending the range of services and the range of products, etc., etc. But we tried to keep pure to the single model principle, so that we don't have duplicate systems, we don't have different systems in different jurisdictions or for different markets. We've tried to make sure it's as efficient as possible. Some of our peers and competitors, they have much broader ranges of services they offer, so they need a physical presence. If they're in different markets, they're providing banking services, they need a physical presence. So they just naturally have grown up with divisions and different entities and companies around the world, and that creates inevitable frictions in the sense of there's different teams working in different jurisdictions, different domains. We've just tried to keep it simple as we can, because we're quite a simple model, that all our teams globally operate as one. When we're looking to connect new clients, we are happy to service them locally in their market. But if they want to be connected to, if they're Asian, they want to be connected to Europe, or they want to be connected from Asia to the US, that's fine too. It's a two-way street. What we're finding is that increasingly the new flows are coming from Asia to the West, which is positive for everyone. It's new business, new activity, new volume they want to diversify their books. If they've been predominantly trading in Asia up to now, it's a new opportunity for them to trade other markets. So we're trying to facilitate that. Because we focus on clearing, we're always looking for ways to make our clients' experience better. So we're trying to connect them in a more seamless way. We're trying to give them an easier solution so they don't have to go through significant technology change or technology duplication on their side. Or we're trying to make sure they don't have different reports and different multiple forms of communication, because they want to trade increasingly globally on multiple markets. Clients do. That's a good thing, but at the same time they don't want the complexity that can go with that often. So we're always trying to find ways of making it simpler for the clients, and because we focus on clearing, we're constantly looking at innovation around the edges of what the client experience is in clearing.